Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel 𝓭𝓸𝓷'𝓽. Today guys, I am in a hurry because graduation's literally like around the corner and I want to do a money lay. So guys, I'm gonna do it super simple. I got the bills right here for reference. This is for elementary school graduation, so the lay is going to be around 60 inches long. I got $10 bills. I got the plastic from the Amazon kit. If you saw my other video where I did a lay, I got some plastic right here from that roll. I'll link it down below for you guys, and I got some tape. That is all I need. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm using dollar bills. Whatever bill you want to use, that is up to you. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be taping them just at the edge like that. And if you're freaking out like, oh my god, I don't want to take the money, I'm using clear tape, guys. You can just cut it, you know, once you're done. I'm just using regular tape, guys. Look at that. And I'm just gonna tape them. I put it together facing the same way, and I just taped it like that. Simple, guys. Super simple. I'm going to continue. That. If you feel more comfortable leaving like a tiny little piece like that, look at that. So you can just cut it. If you're scared, look at that. It just comes off, okay? Don't freak out. Your money is going to be fine. Okay, so I'm all done. I got my plastic. I'm using the plastic just to make it look a bit fancier and because I have it, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna put it in here. I already pre-cut it. Told you guys around 60 inches. I'm gonna put it inside and then run it all the way through. Okay, so I went off screen real quick just to let it fall down on the thing. So this is how it's looking. I still have a piece left. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look when it's like around the neck. So I'm gonna cut this piece off a little bit. Like that. And I'm actually going to tape the money just a bit inside so it's not like falling or slipping. I just got a little piece of tape. I'm just gonna tape it inside like that onto the plastic, just like that on both sides. Like that. So it's not like flipping all over the place, you know, slipping to one side. And I'm just going to seal it with another little piece of tape right at the edge. Like that. Just to seal it up. Like that. That's it, guys. That is it. And I am done with my money lay. How fast was that, guys? Look at that. I got my money lay ready. Again, whatever bill you want to use, that's up to you. And you don't even have to put the money in the plastic. I'm just doing it because I have extra plastic and I thought it would look nicer. But you can just tape the bills. I would say if you're just gonna leave the bills by itself, tape the bill in the front and the back just for extra security. And then there, you got your lei. Super, super easy, guys. Look at that. My lei is ready. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial of how to do your money lei. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.